Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another crypto update. So yesterday I missed out a little bit by not updating you guys about the current prices because Bitcoin went above $61,000, almost 62, and I didn't make a video. Hey, my bad, but right now I wanted to make a small little mention of the crazy crypto liquidations, but yeah, when I typed in liquidations, I definitely did not find news about crypto. I kind of messed up, but after a little bit of searching around, I found this article. Over $2 billion in futures liquidated as crypto market dips. And that is mostly because after we hit this all-time high, which was a pretty heavy all-time high still, there's like $4,000 between the previous and this one right now, we crashed pretty damn quickly. It might not look quick because, well, there's a couple of hours here above the $60,000 mark, but once we fell below, I'm going to say about the previous all-time high is also when it started to go really rather quickly, as from 6 a.m. up to about 1 p.m., you can see the price dropped about $3,500 to $4,000, which, you know, the higher the Bitcoin goes, the less it gets in terms of percentages, but still, it's a ton of freaking money. Then investor stumbles into 30,000% gain after buying a Beeple NFT for about $969. Some guy, all right, just some investor purchased a little artwork for almost $1,000, and he says he hoped to double his investment within like 1 or 2 years. But little did he know that in about 3 months, his 1K would go to about $300,000 because Beeple went pretty damn crazy in terms of popularity. Is it really worth it, all his artwork? Well, that's up to everybody else to decide. I personally think it's definitely not worth as much, but he's very popular in the space right now. His artwork is definitely going to go down into the history books of crypto, at least, as potentially one of the biggest starts of a copyright issue, or just, I guess, the start of the NFT and the biggest NFTs and all of that. It's definitely going down into history, though, and a lot of people are trying to flip his work in the near future. He can become a billionaire really quickly, though, if you think about it. Then, Elon Musk wants Dogecoin listing on Coinbase. Just saw it a little bit earlier, and I didn't mention it here, so hey, I thought I should quickly share. He has asked Coinbase to also list it because I believe that he wants the Coinbase to list Dogecoin so he can actually purchase it. And also, whenever he's saying this type of stuff, I sometimes question whether or not his real deal has been to work with crypto all along for a very long while. You can see here Bitcoin, BTC, is an anagram of TBC, the Boring Company. What a coincidence. What a shock would it be if Elon Musk was actually the creator of Bitcoin, or a team of his, not him specifically, but just his team. Because think about it, this guy is up to a lot of stuff, and he's built so many different things, and sometimes the way he moves is kind of sketchy, but then in the end of things, we wouldn't ever know, I think. Maybe in 50 years from now, we'll see who actually made Bitcoin. Maybe never, though. I don't think we'd ever see it. That is, again, if he doesn't cash anything out. Theoretically speaking, if he ever were to cash some crypto out, we'd know. Yeah, unless he does it on some private exchange or makes some new thing where he can do it privately. Or maybe he's actually already made something. We already know who he is, but we don't know, if you see what I'm trying to say, right? We know, for example, it's like a guy like David Schwartz or Charles Hoskinson, which are the co-founders, I guess, of an XRP or a Cardano. That could have also been so, that it was one of those guys, for example, and they've just hidden it in plain sight by creating something new and never mentioning that they made the previous thing. And now, if they were to transact or do some crazy stuff, people wouldn't really know as quickly. Or even an exchange founder could have made it too. Then, more than 100 companies looking to shift from Ethereum to Cardano. Charles Hoskinson revealed in an interview with Bloomberg that over 100 companies will migrate from Ethereum to Cardano. The IOG CEO compares Uniswap to Beanie Babies and calls it a bubble. Well, he's basically said there are 100 projects in the move right now. It's all going to come to Cardano. I think that's rather interesting. Then, India considering total ban on cryptocurrencies. Well, I've actually read a couple of different articles surrounding this. I see some say that India is just trying to create an opportunity for crypto to go big. Others saying that they are thinking about a total ban. Others thinking or saying that it's not really decided at all. I'm just personally going to leave myself out of this as we have too much information and too little facts, as I'm not too aware of what is factual over there in India and what is, again, just speculation. I'm not too good at looking at the news right there, but if you live there or if you're really interested, go check it out, go look into it a little bit deeper, as there are quite a lot of controversies surrounding that right now, and it's worth it to check out if it matters to you. And then French lawmakers signs petition to allow central banks to buy and hold Bitcoin. That would be pretty damn crazy. A French parliament member has signed a petition to amend their laws to enable the Central Bank of France to buy and hold Bitcoin as well as other crypto. The petition urges lawmakers to urgently consider the matter, warning that not only Bitcoin will put France in a financial weak position within 5 to 10 years, which, wow, would be ridiculously bullish for crypto if they pull this through. But all I can say is we'll see, and we'll keep watching this. Guys, thank you all for watching this video. Take care, and there's no ads, so make sure you press the like button and subscribe if you enjoy these crypto updates.